In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design responsive header navigation in Figma. We'll start by heading to figma.com in your browser and signing in. From the homepage, look toward the top right area for the section where you can explore templates. Depending on your view, it may be labeled Site, Templates, or Community. Open that area so you can browse. Pick a website template that includes a clean header or navbar. Templates are a great shortcut because they come with styles and layout rules already set up, which we can reuse for consistency and speed. When you find one you like, click Use this template to bring it into your drafts. Inside the template file, locate the header navigation. It's usually at the top of the main frame and may be named header navbar or something similar. Click to select the entire header container rather than individual pieces so you bring over its layout settings. Copy it. Next, open a new blank design file to work in your own space. This helps you keep the navigation separate from any demo content in the template. Paste the header into your new file. If you're working on a desktop frame, make sure the pasted header sits inside that frame so resizing behaves correctly. Now, customize your header navigation, swap in your logo text or image, update the menu labels, and adjust any call to action button. Check for auto layout on the header container. A horizontal auto layout with space between is a great pattern because it anchors your logo on the left and your links or button on the right. Set the header container to hug contents vertically and either fixed width or fill container horizontally, depending on how you want it to scale. In the right-hand panel, confirm constraints for the header are pinned left and right so it stretches across the top as the frame resizes. For each link group, use auto layout to control spacing and alignment. Keep consistent padding inside buttons and apply your color and type styles to match your brand. Turn on a layout grid on the frame to snap edges and keep the header aligned to columns. Test responsiveness by dragging the frame's width narrower to simulate tablet and mobile. Watch how items reflow. If the links crowd, reduce spacing, hide less important links, or prepare a compact menu icon as part of your customization. The goal is a header that remains readable, balanced, and usable at any size. That's it. You've taken a header from a template, moved it into your own file, and customized it to be responsive and on brand.